Hi guys, what's going on? I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to watch a TikTok video compilation of girls riding super bikes. You won't often see that, right? Girls riding bikes like KTM and Hayabusa. So this is going to be very interesting, very awesome, right? So let's go and check out this video. Oh, look at that. Look at that girl. That's awesome. Touch it. I'm a rider. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh, she looks happy. Oh, all I can see that is that cow. Wow. Look at these bikes. Wow. कह रहा है दिल जाना हमसे आके मिल जाना दूर दिल से ना जाना ओ जाना कह रहा है दिल जाना दी जवानी चेक कर दी बरंडा वाले टैग नी आज दसा तेनू सोहणीए नी फैशन की हुंदा तेरे यार दा तो वखरा सवाल हां जी ओ मेरा सूट फटिया है कि तन्नू कमार डागा हां पंजाब दी मैं कुड़ी सरदा हवाओं में तुझको सवारा जज्बों में अपने उतारा मेरी ये आंखें जिधर देखे तेरा ही तेरा नजारा Girls in Superbikes looks really cool. Yep, she is showing off. Wow. That bike looks nice. Oh. Girl with the traditional sari in a bullet. जिने मेरा दिल लुटिया जिने मैनू मार सुटिया लक पतला बलौरी ओदे नैन नैन कन्ने चुम के हुलारे ओदे लैन लैन गल्ला करदी Oh, that baby is looking at me. मैनू दिला दे सोनी राहत की छैया छड़ के आया छड़ के वो तंग गलियां катится, стрелки крутятся, загадаю желание, может сбудется, гелик катится по обшарпанным улицам, хватит париться, может стерпится. So far, this is the first time I'm actually seeing a girl with a helmet. I hope police won't recognize other girls. Wow, I won't go that speed with no helmet. याद में कोई बनाए रे हंसी ताजमहल याद में कोई लिखे शामों शहर सो दिल के दरिए Oh. She have to wear the glasses instead of helmet.
Okay. Wow, let's see this. She all dressed up for bike riding. Okay, what is going on here? Oh. Look at that girl. Oh, they are doing a face off. Oh, it happens. Oh. I understand two things after watching this video. The first one is girls look super cool with super bikes. Look at those videos. They look awesome. They look super cool. And the second one is girls don't like to wear helmet. And I know the reason. Because girls want to look beautiful even when they are going to die. So anyway, that's it guys. That is my reaction to this video. And see you guys on the next one.